Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Motor Mike official YouTube channel on the World Wide Web. Today, I'm here with my friend Jay's 2010 Infiniti G37X. Now this thing, I'm going to show you why. These cars are great first cars, great platform to modify and build. Jay's got a whole build sheet, a whole plan going on here. He's been talking through the future ideas with this. And it's got good bones, so we're going to call him over. He's going to give us a little walk around, and then we're going to go for a little drive with G. And he's gonna show us what it's about. So we're with my boy Jay right now. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? How we doing? Good. So talk to me about your G, man. What's up with it? What's the word?
Alright, so it's like you said, 2010 Infiniti Coupe. It is all-wheel drive at the X version. See, I'm sitting on BC coilovers and 25mm spacers from Z1 all around. Nothing too much, nothing under the hood so far.
Got you.
We have some wheels sitting at home, everything else sitting at home, all the parts.
We got them T's at home, right?
Yeah, we have the TE37 sitting at home. De-badged truck, nothing too major. In terms of plans, hopefully. I don't even want to throw carbon on it or anything, just too much. I kind of want to just keep it clean.
Okay.
So I was thinking maybe some D-spec headlights, kind of look at the G35 headlights.
Ooh, okay.
Don't worry about the hazing. Definitely got to get a new bumper because, you know, clear coat starting to peel. Other than that, just some wheels, coilovers, spacers.
So we're going stance car on this?
I think we're gonna go for a stance car.
We're gonna go for the stance on the G, eh? Yeah, I mean it's definitely got good bones, man. Like anything that could be cosmetically wrong is just, you know, simple. No, it's nothing like, you know, totaled out or anything like that.
Not at all. It's a good first car, man.
Yeah, first car. Congratulations on that, man. That's a wonderful thing. Great first step, you know.
Great first step, right?
Absolute. That way, you know, you can always build up on it. You can always change it up. But yeah, it's 3.0 V6 underneath here. 3 points. We're going 3.2. 3.2. Okay, so you're rocking like what, like 300 horsepower in that ballpark?
Supposedly, but after a while, like, you know, that power's gonna die down after what, 10 years?
True.
12 years.
Okay.
I'm gonna say probably, let's say max 280, 290.
Okay, so we're rocking 290, and the coupe. Now, you mind if I poke my head in the inside here? Yeah, the one thing about these Infinitis is they're great value per bargain, right? Great price. And look, you get all this leather and stuff. So it's like fully leather back here, man. Oh, no paddles yet, right?
No paddles.
Nah. But you do have the little stick where you can just flick it over.
Yep.
Yeah. You know what I like? What's classy as hell about these? They got the clock in the middle.
I do fuck with the
That clock goes up. Yeah, but overall, he got the sunroof too, man. I wish I had the sunroof on my car, dude.
Hey, it comes in handy, man. You really, whenever you don't want to have that sun beaming down on your head, just crack that.
Yeah, true. Let all that hot air out. So yeah, this is G37. I'm gonna close that up. What do we say if we go for a little drive? You show me what it's like to have a lowered car, because this is probably gonna be like the lowest car I've been in.
Yep.
Because all my cars have like monster truck ride height like that. So this is gonna be my first introduction into a stance type of sort of car.
Stance, kind of, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna go set that up, and we'll cut to that. So here we are posted up. Let me lock the whips up. Lock the whips. So we're all gonna be hopping in the G. Yeah. Gotta get Ryan's ass in the back here.
I got it. Look at this automatic.
Oh, you got the electric seats on here?
Yeah.
Damn. So Jay, what got you in the cars, man? What was like that one thing that really got you in the cars?
I'll tell you. So aside from Fast and Furious movies.
Oh, okay. Which ones you grew up watching? The first, second ones?
First and second, beautiful. Honestly, in my opinion, second is my favorite.
That's the correct opinion.
Yeah.
Same way.
That Evo is like something beautiful, man.
Just all those cars in that movie were great.
Just overall beautiful, just beautiful. But on top of that, my cousin, he had a manual, I think a 2006 Honda Accord.
Ooh, V6?
V6. Or V4, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
But it was just really fun to drive. It was really fun to drive. That was the first car I ever drove, actually.
Really?
First manual car too.
Oh man, I just had a blast in that car, and I was just doing a whole bunch of oil changes with them whenever you come to the house and things like that.
That's a great first experience, especially with somebody, you know, in your family too.
Yeah, right. So I said, all right, went to cars.
There you go. And what's the one car you always like aspired to own? Like, what's something in the future that you think you're gonna?
I love cars way too much. But dream, hopefully, is a GT3 RS.
GT3. You're a Porsche man.
I'm a Porsche guy.
God bless, dude. You got great cars to be into, you know. Shame they cost so much.
I think it's worth it.
I
think it's worth it.
The trade-off you make, it's 100% worth it. But before COVID, you can pick up a Porsche for, you know, a nicer one for, you know, more realistic money. Now they're just overinflated.
Way too inflated.
That's with every car though. Mustangs, G's,
Yeah,
classic cars, supercars.
What's your dream car?
My dream car.
Yeah.
I already got it, man. I'm a hippie. I like my 73 Bug a lot. But like, if we're talking like something completely unrealistic, right?
Okay.
I think I'm gonna have to go for that Scion XP in yellow. That is hard as hell. Goddamn. No, on a real note, you know what car?
So it's me.
All the money in the world. Lamborghini Miura.
Okay. Ooh, that's
The
actually
old,
really interesting.
the
take.
old school, yeah.
That's
Like, we're
really
talking if I had
interesting.
millions and millions. Raul, how about you, man, in the back?
Oh gosh.
I caught you lacking
Yeah,
back
you
there,
did
right?
catch me last. I mean, GT3 RS is a great pick.
GT3? Okay.
Honestly though, dream would be 765 LT.
Ooh.
McLaren.
McLaren?
Oh my goodness, I love that car.
Great choice.
Solid shout on
Yeah,
that.
it's so nice.
And since we got the camera on you, how's that back seat? You comfy?
I'm a little tall for here. I'm kind of hitting the roof, but other than that, I'm pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a coupe, you know, it could be a hell of a lot worse.
Yeah, seriously.
So what's it like driving a load car from like our area where we're from?
Man, your biggest fear is potholes. I'll be so honest. But man, you hit that pothole, especially the way that I have a coilover set up right now. I have my dampening set to very stiff. So you hit a little bump, like you're gonna feel that.
You're gonna feel that in your spine and your back and your
Everything.
neck.
But when you're going fast, and like when you're going fast, really, it really feels nice, like when you're going around turns and things like that. It's still stiff, it's gonna hold.
Absolutely. You don't have any of that body roll because we're cruising right now, and there's no like leaning and stuff. Like with my Mustang too, you definitely feel it in the corner.
feel it?
Oh yeah. I was driving Ryan back here over on Route 22.
Yeah.
And that thing was it was a little rainy too.
It was the worst rain we've ever
We
seen
were
in our life.
understeering, bro. We got caught out in the tropical rainstorm.
Oof.
Central Avenue. My car turned into a boat.
Absolutely crazy.
You're gonna start floating, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no.
Got that buoyancy.
I really do fuck with Mustangs, man. I haven't really did too much like looking into them, but I really appreciate them now. I'm starting to see what they can do.
They're solid platforms for the like any Mustang really is a solid choice for any platform, like drift build, race build, whatever you want. You can do anything to them pretty much now, especially the newest ones. It's like you have a lot of untapped potential with them.
Yeah, seriously.
And the G's too. Any like the Q50s and stuff, and the G37s, you know.
The VR platform and the VQ platform is that's potential, man. It's just a lot of time and money to put into it. But I don't blame anyone that hey, whatever you like, you know.
Yeah, for sure. So, would you get another Infiniti? Let's say down the road, because this is your first car. Would you ever consider getting something similar to this? Oh, we're gonna follow that Nissan.
Oh, you know, that's a great question. Would I get another Infiniti? Not a I'll do a VR30, so like a Q60 or a Q50 maybe.
Oh, okay.
I would, because you can put some serious work in on those. Other than that, or,
Oh, we got an or here.
I would take the VR30 transmission out of a Q60 or a Q50 and put it into a G37.
Oh.
And then you could like really start putting down some more horsepower if you wanted to, little turbos or supercharger or something.
So we're gonna make a Frankenstein Infiniti, eh?
We can, yeah. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last me. But
Hey, if you're ever doing some major work and stuff, and you want like a video about it, you know, hit me up. We'll definitely
Absolutely.
Because I would love to follow this, you know, I love every single kind of car, you know, besides Teslas, like down there, nasty. Anything else though, you know, if you put in the effort and the time and you love that platform, man, I support it no matter what. So if you're ever down to like do a follow-up in like a couple of months time, if you got the wheels and stuff, you know, I'm 100% down. But overall, you got like a good base here, man. You got a definitely strong platform to start building off, and proud for you, bro.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Good. Ryan, overall, what do we think about it, man? What's your hot take?
I would not want to sit back here anymore. Other than that, though, it's great to drive. I drove it once. It's definitely fast. I tell you that.
Yeah, I got some.
Yeah, it's got some kick.
There's a little something.
Good.
It's nothing fast, but it's fun. It's a fun car.
Yeah, it keeps you, you know, keeps you entertained.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely.
So on that, guys, we're gonna end off today's video here. Thank you so much for watching another official Motormike video on the World Wide Web. Thank you for Jay for bringing out this G37 for us to go over and review. We got more car reviews, more just everything related to cars coming up very soon. Stay with me. I'm doing my best here. You know, iMovie is a little confusing at times. But anyway, guys, I shall see you in the next upload. Stay strong. 2023 is your year still. You know, we got a couple months left, right?
What, like 2 or 3 months?
We got, what, we're in September? We got like 4 months. Do your thing, make your name, and I'll catch you around. Have a good one, guys.